Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analyses. Today, we're diving into a product that's causing quite a stir in the health and fitness community. Introducing PBfit all-natural peanut butter powder, touted as the best weight gain peanut butter on the market. So, what makes PBfit stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down. PBfit offers the rich, nutty flavor of traditional peanut butter but with a fraction of the calories and fat content. Made from real roasted pressed peanuts, this powdered peanut spread contains just 3 simple ingredients: peanuts, salt, and coconut palm sugar. With PBfit, you can enjoy guilt-free smoothies, baked goods, peanut butter dips, pancakes, oatmeal, and so much more. Plus, it's gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, soy-free, and non-GMO, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. But how does it taste? Let me tell you, folks, PBfit doesn't disappoint. Despite being lower in calories and fat, it delivers the same smooth consistency and rich flavor that you'd expect from traditional peanut butter. Now, let's talk about versatility. PBfit is incredibly versatile. You can mix it with water to create a creamy spread, blend it into smoothies, stir it into oatmeal, or use it as a topping for yogurt or fruit. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the nutritional benefits. Each serving of PBfit packs a punch with 8 grams of protein, making it an excellent way to add a protein boost to your snacks and meals. So, there you have it, folks. PBfit all-natural peanut butter powder is not only delicious and versatile but also a healthier alternative to traditional peanut butter. Whether you're looking to gain weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or simply switch things up in the kitchen, PBfit has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy snacking!